Welcome to my channel. We will discuss a shortcut for net profit percentage. A trader bought two articles at the same price and sold one at 20% profit, the other at 10% loss. Find his profit percentage. He bought the two articles at the same price. That means cost price of two articles are same. And one case you have 20% profit, the other case there is 10% loss, means the first reaction will be 20 minus 10. 10% is what people say as the answer, but there's a mistake. Here, the net profit on the combined sale of two articles, hence the shortcut is P minus L by 2%, that is 20 minus 10 by 2 percentage, that is 5 percentage. We will discuss a shortcut for net loss percentage. A trader sold two articles at the same price. He earned 20% profit on one article and incurred 20% loss on the other. Find his profit or loss percentage. Here, selling prices are same. He sold two articles at the same price, but when we calculate 20% profit or 20% loss, profit or loss is always calculated on the cost price. If cost prices are equal and profit percentage and loss percentage are equal, it will be no profit, no loss. But here it's not cost prices, it is selling prices are equal. Hence, the net position will be always loss, and the shortcut for that is net loss equals to x square by 100%. And x is the percentage profit or percentage loss, that is 20. So 20 square by 100%, 400 by 100, that is 4% is the loss. We will discuss a shortcut for net profit or loss percentage when we are given number of articles. If cost price of 50 articles equals to selling price of 40 articles, find the profit or loss percentage. The shortcut is profit or loss percentage equals to C minus S by S into 100. Here C is the cost of how many articles, that is 50, or number of articles purchased. S is the number of articles sold, or rather selling price of how many articles, in this case that is 40. So in this question C is 50, S is 40. If I substitute the numbers 50 minus 40 by 40 into 100, you can check it is 10 by 40 into 100. That is 1 by 4. 1 by 4 is 25%. So our profit is 25%. If it is positive, it is profit. It is negative, means it is loss. Here it is positive, so hence it is profit percent. We'll discuss a shortcut to calculate dishonest trader's profit. A dishonest trader claims that he sells goods at cost price but weighs 100 gram less for every kilogram. Find his profit percent. Here he sells goods at cost price. Selling price and cost price are same, but he gives 100 gram less for every kilogram, means when he claims he is selling 1000 grams, that is 1 kilogram, he is giving 100 grams less, means he is actually giving 900 grams. So when selling price equals to cost price, the shortcut is profit percent equals to error in the weight by actual weight sold into 100. Here error in the weight is 100 grams because he is giving 100 grams less. By actual weight sold, actual weight that is sold is only 900. When he claims he is selling 1000 grams, actual weight is given is 900 grams into 100. 100 by 900 is 1 by 9, 11.11%. For more on profit and loss, please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you.